Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news.
Owura Bernard Mona say omunyina pe change. Oso omunyina omu NDC sorry omunyina support NDC. Omu de komu kwa MPP frabem. Be say ye benya obi no abaka say Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. Eyenim guase ni anase wogu MPP fo anim asana nordness esremfo anim asem eye kwasasem nyansa bi anim na go say Bernard Mona pa de bi okasa madwo Muhammad na de se de na abai den na be ya afede okatachi afrifa na ofaya na akofo do yi ena omu nyina ka bi ma Bawumia ena de ni eye nkofo monwa nkofo ho adwuro mu ye Bernard Mona former PNC general secretary afede abrante ba ya wase nipa bia wo besoro abedi Bawumia atembia no wo ye Jimmy for eye omo aye wo omo yanfo manko we yanfo manko asira na didi nsemu no sa Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ni nyansa aye se Pentecost ni adanse die aye se Jehovah Witness church no aye se nkurase former taxi drivers no me patro yenko na yenko tie Bernard Mona wakanse mu bia ho adwure no se ene die wo a wonye no na ntimi ka se Bawumia egu nordness fo ni ma se unim ni awoka bacho ofaya fifi kwete general secretary for the National Democratic Congress
it will take non-nordness to tell nordness what is grace and what is not a grace.
Okay.
And it will take non-nordness to tell nordness what is grace and what is not a grace.
Okay.
How can Obi onye nordna? Onu mom na osu emma nordness, echen yan nordness. Did we ever complain that Bawumia is a disgrace? Or we ever complain that your mama is a disgrace? Not part in tea. And then it has to take other people to be making commentary. For the records, John Mama Papa, any Bawumia Papa, Omunane Kwame Nkrumah Ejuma. They were part of the Northern People's Party. For the records, baby anajo mama ne papa fie ewo in Accra, Kanda. Oha na Bawumia ne papa ne fie ewo. For the record, Tamale, the same location Bawumia ne fie wo, ne papa fie wo. Oha na jo mama ne papa fie wo. And se oko outside, particularly in the UK, is the same.
The accomplished for the member of parliament for Central Regional Central Swaba, Nanka Ombaya flag bearer for the new patriotic party, no Papa Nakasa, no Kopiemo KSM show, and a KSM say it is so say CA, Nabamia Fennis from Rambaya running meter, or Bebana, or say there be meeting running meter, Bawumia na Ubia, because me come again, men penquasiasem, who ye president, and I'm your vice president now, me babon be fire, be patch. You could take Canada, Japan.
Let's say. Bawumia invites you to be vice.
No, that I wouldn't do it.
You wouldn't do it?
No. To tell you the truth, why I cannot be a vice president is that I will speak my mind. And I'm not going to be made.
Marcus, you're very careful. www.betway.communication. You want to be a minister for communication. And was Sabaye. MP Minister for Communication obey running mate and obey vice president vice president or carry this work you about the president. A tucha quenya ya de madro mahama o timi messing yama apa and kadro mama kura de kobekasa and kamato to an carbono was in near cost for gun and anakufa no obuano. And the one in Yaduna Kabibia deno and no swear Subameno. One in Yaduna Casabia, one in Yadun.
May miss my dream chum Kokumoti, then Dura.
Mamencia Ura Puma.
That's right.
Nakara than our vote. Etimamia Wakumsen, a symbio Beckham piano and confusion.
Obia secondary school say what Ghana nyina supply what you say ontimi supply
30%
Asante region
yama 30%
supply o problem ne say what creating market dey am papa no enti say bia ade no machine ye 2 1 na ye
also one this one factory no yawe
one say dey atum
one this one factory no it was not something that was seriously thought yes one village, one dam.
Yes.
A bear mantra for election.
And yet you can say
1 million one constituency. So I'm trying to want to say I'm free SHS one. And Kaya Juma.
That's it.
And Utina. Yeah, catch NDC for say. Montras in our 24-hour economy. I'm offended. Now the Amuya, Gumo 24-hour no. Because Obia is different.
Now I could tell the 24-hour economy about. Yeah, young papa a Dr. Coco thing, or yeah, a adonko near the idea, or yeah, adonko drinks near the idea be good just so an opana Yantona no pau. Osi anajo so machine no man electricity. I didn't mean we are yanto. Anajo men san konko ye de. E wi ade ye ntonye. Osi anajo.
So there should be demand.
There should be demand. Ebia.
And yes sir, you export to be by export. Who export? On the product, Wakato say Cote d'Ivoire, Wakato so we here and I say father. There should be a market available.
That's it.
Market availability.
That's it.
Remember some say
your government
the idea no
to create
that idea that is mooted no. Are very good. Say institutions be shall be to say KTM asema na okay. Also urban certain near be a year. Any background
in mineral water and I say bottled water. So you Ghana in us say Oko Crefra Bruchira bar. Na government so the tax yes to so Z to honia the also
changing water.
Also one to now
bakore de say the oforimu ye.
Special
eyes wa ha. Ye wo vena wa ha. Ye wo vortic wa ha. Ye wo nsuo nyina bi wa ha no mo. Create the market for them. To obi cleanse no oba for tax mo do toso ti esikafo na enom na yezumanum local wa ya. Keti abon so ye we ya minority mo so mo pre.
Na ye ntimi
mi ya minority na no leadership see the 24-hour ba. Na nipa na all protecting industry no wose won pre no who we are uncle Felipa Ben enko produce niam an enko go na monto. Have you thought of it?
Sa tete honom na yesi na jude factory or na shoe factory or na LL ne hwan mo honom no na omo product na no mo ye de badwa so enso to enti compulsory by force also mo ye
night
to meet demand na e wo honom no me koye ade na wia ye ntoy.
Yeah, how many people na job magazine say Obabe so
your friends say break band the kroba
Obabe no
your ade bi wo hono mo a it's about time ye nya abotre na ye chekire niema mu akota 2024 elections we enkoye ase putogum hwegum bi asa sani aso madwiri yo mo say putogum hwegum yankeka bi ngum ne yenko no 2024 elections we enkoye sa ade na previous lo manya kwan na yasesa bia gum
mesi me ye we ekwa be na be fa so obeye
ubenya sika
o ye ne say ukonya sika no way and if you want thing is this for the electricity tariff crown Ura fi say your IMF conditionality mu
yes 3 months
every 3 months there is upward adjustment omonte so that
yes say economy no GDP ne mo inflation
if it is in effect how do you reduce that tariff for Sanipa no because yatum to what is so man crown
yes
oh so what percentage it was so chiri we
nyama we no munyina o se omunyina hyase
we aye kan obi ntiase ubusa no bibi fa ayi Bawumia policy na ontumi chechema na ne bofu ubusa di pano about your mama 24-hour ontumi chechema na ne bofu masa wabufuo no sesa bibia me ateni a obedi na sesa bibia o come and explain because at the end of the day, you're not the bebre say
that's it.
It means I'm in Tiasia. How do I explain to Luther King say 24-hour economy say that flat rate about